If you're in the market to buy a Cricut machine, then let this video be your guide. The newest machine that has launched right now is Explore 4. Okay, this is just a one-step advance from the Explore 3, but the ultimate machine available in India right now still remains the Maker 3. I'm excluding Joy just because I haven't used Joy as much and I'm biased towards Maker 3. If you want to buy something, get the Maker 3. Period. I'll tell you why, okay? And I'm gonna sell Maker 3 to you in the next 2 minutes. So you have to all ears, even less than 2 minutes. All right, the first thing is the size. Nothing compares Maker 3 to Joy. There's no size. I mean, Maker 3 wins it. You can make bigger templates, you can make bigger projects, you can do bigger engraving. If your business is wedding business, hamper business, Maker 3 always helps. You can create in bulk, and that's it, period. Second thing is the amount of tools. You can use up to 16 tools in the Maker 3. One of my bestest tools is rotary blade. This can help you cut all the delicate things like felt, tissue, thin paper, thick paper, you name it, it gets it done. Third thing is you can even use a scoring wheel. Okay, that is much more powerful. I'm yet to get my hands on it, but it's too good if you're dealing with like packaging or something that requires scoring a lot. Then comes engraving. Engraving is something that you can only do in Maker 3. As of now, you can't do it in Explore. You can only do it in Maker 3. So engraving is something that is really popular. Yes, I'm putting some images here of the engraving lamps that people are making and selling. They look amazing. And if you want to do on-spot customization, let's say if you have 40 names you want to customize, Cricut Maker can get it done in minutes. I'm not saying days, I'm not saying hours, I'm saying minutes. All right, I've done it and I think everybody can. You just have to get used to the software. All right, the last point is the amount of materials that you can do. So you can cut about 300 plus materials. So let's say if you want to cut something that's thicker, all right, which will require the knife blade, which only can be used in, you guessed it right, Maker 3. So let's say if your work is with chipboard or like those basswood, you want to use that for your future projects, you want to make your own logo or something like that, like more of these 3D projects, then Maker 3 is absolutely perfect. Now, my second option after Maker 3 would be a Joy, just because the size is portable, you can carry it out anywhere. And let's say if your business is on the go, you want to do workshops, then yeah, Joy is wonderful. But one thing that you can't do in Joy is print and cut, which again you can explore as well. But Maker 3 is the ultimate. I just feel like this machine doesn't need any maintenance. You're getting 2 years of warranty. So you are absolutely bound to use this machine for the next 5 years of your life. And if you're using it for 5 years, you do want to explore new materials, new techniques, new everything. So just get Maker 3. That's it, you guys. Now, if you want to buy Maker 3, the last point that I do want to mention, and I want to promote my coupon code that you can use on the Indian website. It will give you a really good discount and some commission to me. Or you can use one of my Amazon links. Okay, Amazon links will be available on my YouTube community post. It's gonna live there forever, so you can click and buy and you'll be done. Now, when you're buying a Maker 3, do opt to get a bundle, and I'll tell you why. Bundle is a good save for your money. All right, you get all the materials that you can experiment with, but ultimately if you buy them individually, they will cost you, like each roll is going to cost you about 2,000 or something like that, and the entire bundle you're getting in under 4K, which I feel like is a good investment. All right, all this material you will be using. If it's still lying, you can watch one of my videos and I use all of those materials on my YouTube channel. So the next thing that you want to do is follow me on YouTube. All right, that was it. Go get your Maker 3 and I'll see you in one of my workshops. If you want to join them, DM me and I'll add you to my WhatsApp group. All right, Bye, and welcome to the Cricut family. Bye. I'll see you around.